Hey guys, we received this stuffed animal storage zoo storage wood. So it's a wooden storage for the stuffed animals or the toys, and then it's a do-it-yourself toy organizer with a 360 swivel wheels. So let me just open everything and show it to you. So you can just put in all type of toys and stuffed toys, and you can just store it in here. And this also have a cage with the elastic ropes. So it will be very nice to see and how this looks finally. So these are the rods and everything is numbered. The manual is also there so you can easily assemble it. So let me just take out the stuff first and put everything in one place. So the packaging is good as well, so that is to avoid any breakage or the scratches and things. So that's a good stuff. And the manual toolbox, the tools required, everything is given, all the parts. So this should be a straightforward assembly, and this is the screws and everything that you need to be done. So they also gives the tools that you need to tighten the screws, elastic ropes, and the wheels. So the wood is really nice, and as everything is numbered, this will be like a Lego set to do. Say like this is the bottom plane and then the rod. So you have to put in these three number rods in here and then use these A screws. So as everything is marked in the manual, this will be easy for you to see and just do the things. So I just quickly show you like how this get assembled one by one and the top part, and this is the final product. So this looks really good, and this also have the LED lights that you can put in. That's require batteries. So you need to put in the batteries and then put it in the lights the way you want in it. So this have a good space here, as you can see, and all these elastic bands and everything need to fit. So this will give you some space, like if you want to, put in some stuff and just to keep it inside. And at the night, it looks like this. The LED lights are really bright and colorful, and you can put it in the way you want. I just put it on the top side, just looks nice so that it can cover up all these things to see. This is a very nice storage for stuffed toys. Looks really nice, very assembly, and then you can also write your name and you can do some do-it-yourself kit or paint and do anything you want. So very nice. Hope you like this as well.